can point your audience to other videos, channels, your associated website, and can even be used for polls. Plus, they can be seen on computers and mobile devices. To get started, click your channel icon at the top of any YouTube page and click Creator Studio. From here, click Video Manager. Find the video to add cards to, click the drop-down arrow and choose Cards. Now click Add Card and choose what type of card you want. I will pick Poll Card in this video by clicking Create next to it. From here, you can enter in a question and the responses. Once you're finished, click Create Card. Now you will be able to move the card to the spot you wanted to appear in the video. This is what users will see when they see your card in the video. To learn more about getting results from poll cards, just click this card in the corner of the video. Also, you can see poll results in YouTube Analytics under Cards. Let's try adding a video as a card, and then I will show you how to remove it. Click on Add Card and then Create next to Video or Playlist. Choose the video you want to show, then click Create a Card. Like before, you can move the card around. When you want to delete a video, click the Edit Card button here. Now, click this icon to remove it. Want to learn more about types of cards? Check out the link in the description below. Feel free to leave me a feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.